Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be diagnosing a car that we think it jumped a timing chain or a belt. It's a Ford, but what we'll be doing, we'll apply to any vehicle. Okay, it's a 3.5 V6 engine timing chain vehicle. And now there are two possibilities. We got that car from a car auction, and in my opinion somebody replaced the water pump, or the timing belt, the timing chain jumped, or it jumped because the tensioner failed, or somebody didn't install it the correct way. But either way, let me show you what the symptoms are now. On any vehicle will be that way, guys. So if we go ahead and start it now, you will notice that the car sounds like it's misfiring. And stay with us until the end to see the weirdest thing about that thing. Okay. Now, I'm inside. Listen now, when I start it, it fires right up. But if the timing is off one tooth, usually your car will start, but it will not perform right. Now, if I give it gas, listen how it sounds like it's misfiring on one cylinder. And these guys, this is a V6 engine. V6 is known to be very well balanced engine, and this one doesn't sound balanced at all. Listen now. Okay, you can hear it skipping, and it starts vibrating as well towards the end. Now, what could be causing that, guys? Okay, it could be sensors, it could be many things, it could be, but most likely it's a timing chain, and stay with us, we'll show you why. Now if you come on towards the back, you hear the exhaust puffing air out. Okay, it sounds really weird. Listen to it now. You know, it sounds kind of like the boxer engines, the horizontally opposed engines. Look at that, it puffs it pulsating, like pulse. Doop, doop, doop. That shouldn't be like that, not on that engine. Now, the engine as well, it's vibrating a little bit, it's very unstable from what it looks like. We disconnected ignition coils, we checked all that, we checked fuel injectors, everything's good, and it seems like every cylinder is working, but what it seems like, it's like the timing is off. We removed each of the ignition coils and each of the injectors, and every cylinder was performing somehow, but not correctly. I'll be using the Foxwell here, NT650 guys scanner, really good too. And I'll go under OBD. We're going to read the OBD now and see if we have any engine codes. Okay, and check it out. Codes found 0, and this is after we drove the car for probably 20 miles. Now, I'll select OK. We're going to go under live data here. Okay, and we can check all the parameters now. It's going to take a little bit of time, but with the timing off, no engine light on. And this could happen, okay, because all the sensors are actually working. Things are a little bit out of balance, okay, and the computer is trying to compensate for that, but it doesn't trigger engine light on. Later, if you drive it a lot, probably 200-300 miles, you might get a light and the engine code should be something like advanced timing or retarded timing. Now I'm gonna go here, we'll select complete list. Okay, this is the first one. We'll click OK, enter, and this is the list of the parameters here. You can see that's the coolant temperature 194, it's perfect, doesn't overheat. Okay, then we're going to go to oxygen sensors. You see that oxygen sensors will be performing. Check out the RPMs, they go up and down, 610, 670. It shouldn't be like that, not so much of a difference. That's because the engine is misfiring a little bit. Spark advance, okay, check how it changes really fast. This is because the engine is trying to compensate. Otherwise, at idle, it will stay more stable. This is the intake temperature, MAF sensor here, okay. Then we have oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. And we have a value of 0.1 to 0.6. Watch, it changes. If I give it gas. Okay, so our oxygen sensor, bank 1, is the most important one. Sensor 2 works as well. So you can see our sensors are working. Okay, and this is bank 1 sensor, bank 2 sensor 1. This one works as well. So it's not oxygen sensors. No. Okay, no. Engine light on. Our runtime is 274 minutes. Here warm-ups 1. And there is like absolutely nothing wrong from what it seems. Check it out now. We have the catalytic temperature here. Catalytic converter seems to work fine, otherwise oxygen 2 will tell us that the catalytic converters do not work. Charging system looks good as well. So everything is fine except the car doesn't run good. And we're going to do more disassembly on this car, guys. Okay, we'll do quite a bit of disassembly, and we'll make the video later, show you how we jump the timing chain. But if you do not have engine light on, if it looks like your car is misfiring, check compression. Always double check everything. Check compression, fuel pressure, check ignition coils, spark plugs. But there is always a possibility that it could be a bad timing belt or a chain that jumped. Now it doesn't mean that this will be the case. It could be something super simple, but usually if it's a sensor, you're going to get a code. So this is it for today, guys. Many videos will come on this car, taking things apart and replacing timing chain most likely. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.